In a world that's evolving at lightning speed, emerging technologies are not just changing the game, they're rewriting the rules entirely. From artificial intelligence that can think and learn to solar-powered energy homes, these innovations are set to transform every aspect of our lives. Join us as we delve deeper into the top technologies that will take over the world in the coming years. Number 1. Quantum computing. As we look to the future, quantum computing promises to revolutionize various fields, from cryptography to drug discovery. It could break existing encryption methods, prompting the development of quantum-resistant algorithms. This could lead to more effective treatments for complex diseases, potentially transforming healthcare. Quantum computing could enhance machine learning algorithms, enabling faster data processing and improved model training. This could lead to breakthroughs in AI applications across various sectors, from finance to autonomous vehicles. Understanding and designing new materials at the atomic level is a challenge for classical computers. Quantum simulations could help discover materials with unique properties, driving innovation in technology, energy, and manufacturing. Number 2. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, AVs, are set to revolutionize transportation, offering a future where cars, trucks, and buses can navigate and operate without human intervention. This technology leverages advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to create safe, efficient, and connected transportation systems. Autonomous vehicles are often part of a larger connected ecosystem. Vehicle-to-everything, V2X communication, allows AVs to share information with other vehicles and infrastructure, enhancing safety and traffic management. AVs can be programmed to drive more efficiently, optimizing speed and braking patterns to conserve energy. When paired with electric vehicle technology, they could contribute to a significant reduction in carbon emissions. Number 3. Drones. Another groundbreaking advancement in the world of technology is drones. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are rapidly evolving into a transformative technology with applications across various sectors. As they become more advanced, drones promise to revolutionize everything from delivery services to disaster response, reshaping how we interact with the world around us. Modern drones are equipped with sophisticated sensors and AI algorithms that enable them to navigate autonomously. They can avoid obstacles, adapt to changing environments, and even plan their own routes, making them highly efficient in various applications. Companies like Amazon and Google are exploring drone delivery systems that could revolutionize e-commerce. Drones can transport goods quickly and efficiently, reducing delivery times and minimizing traffic congestion. Number 4. Extended reality. Extended reality, XR, is an umbrella term that encompasses virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. As an incredible technology of the future, XR is set to transform how we interact with digital content, enhancing our experiences in education, entertainment, healthcare, and beyond. XR is already making waves in the entertainment industry, offering immersive gaming experiences that transport players to new worlds. AR applications like Pokémon Go have also demonstrated the potential for engaging users in real-world environments. With remote work becoming more common, XR can facilitate collaboration by creating virtual meeting spaces where teams can interact as if they were in the same room, enhancing communication and productivity. Number 5. Living robots. Living robots, or biohybrid robots, represent an exciting frontier in technology that combines biological organisms with artificial systems. Scientists can manipulate genetic materials to design cells that perform specific functions, enabling the creation of organisms that can sense and react to their surroundings. In disaster situations, living robots could assist in locating survivors in rubble or hazardous environments. Their ability to adapt and navigate through obstacles could enhance search and rescue operations. They can serve as tools for scientific research, helping us understand complex biological processes. They can also be used in educational settings to teach concepts in biology, robotics, and ethics. As we wrap up the video, these technological innovations will soon become a reality. They are the symbol of the next world on planet Earth. From flying trains to robots, every technology will envision a future where a new era will begin, bringing unlimited opportunities and endless challenges for humans. Share in the comments which technology you are excited to see and like the video to show your interest. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get updates on upcoming tech videos.